And just put a little of the juices over it, so the fish can just soak up that goodness. This is poblano pepper, and it's a sweet pepper, has a lovely flavor. Yellow one. That look like enough peppers from a little bit of Sprat. Yeah, that should be enough pepper. These are fresh herring sprat fish that we bought from our local fisherman. And I'm going to fry these. We love these fried with pickles and bread. So I'm going to go to the garden and get some peppers and stuff to make some fresh pickles to fry these sprat.
Some sister you buy in Sprat too?
Yeah, I buy Sprat. I buy 3 pounds of Sprat. Them here nice and fresh, you know, just to come out of the sea.
Look on the eye of the fish.
Yeah, glassy and nice.
Not to mention the gill.
Oh, you can know
look
with the gill.
Red like blood.
Oh, so you know it fresh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Them fish and go on balm powder.
Tell them.
I tell the people them I don't want to buy no fish with the balm powder for kill and a half.
You know, good, don't?
Yeah. Buy
your quint himself off this, you know. And what kind of fish the long one here?
Yardo.
Yardo?
Yardo.
So what you do, catch them on line, are you?
No, them are two are catch on line, but them are set on the net.
Oh, the net, you just drop your net.
Yeah, on the spot them, catch a spot them.
Hey, Jamaica nice, you know, I clean them up for me. So, we buy this and go cook it. Me tell you, say it big. Yeah. Yeah, prep your bucket.
Get some water. Just catch water. That's what we know. I'm a chopper. You're so there.
No, man, we can match it, man.
Yeah, man, that's all it is.
Clean and nice. Them nice, see, man. Them Sprat are clean and nice.
Before we go outside, though, I like to fry these dry, or the oil will just splash all over the place and burn me up. So I'm going to dry these on napkin, pat them really, really dry, and then just season them with just salt and pepper. That's all these need, along with the pickle sauce at the end. And they're just yummy, just like that. These are really fat and nice. Beautiful and fresh. Guys, do you eat Sprat? Oh, we love Sprat. We love snapper too, but we love these fried dry. When I was a child, I used to look forward to my mom going to Kingston on a weekend, because we know she coming back with some of these wrapped in newspaper and cornmeal to keep them dry and fresh. Guys, those are the days. Let me get another sheet to pat these dry. Pat them really, really dry. And then season them with a little bit of salt and pepper. Oops. Yeah, I will just rub that in properly. We're just going to put this down to soak up that seasoning now while we prepare the sauce. Because guys, The Sprat is nice, but without the pickle, it's going to be just flat and bland. And we Jamaicans, we don't like bland food. We like it well seasoned and spicy. Right, guys? So, let me just set this aside and head out to the garden. Come with me, guys. What's wrong? Guys, I smell the fish on me. They love fish. Cats love fish. Are you all going crazy? Hey, Oreo. Guys, cats love fish. I wish these were ready. Look at stink bugs. I wish these were ready. Tomatillos, because I'd definitely put some in there. These are chili peppers, but they're not ready. We like to use the Scotch bonnet peppers and these chocolate peppers. So I'm gonna put two of these brown ones, and I need a sweet, but I need more than one sweet pepper to tone down the heat. That's gonna be blazing in this. This is poblano pepper, and it's a sweet pepper because a lovely flavor. Moving on, at this okra, if I was steaming, then I'd just add that, but we're not steaming today. Let me get one of these red Scotch bonnet peppers. Let me get one of these red ones, or maybe two, because they're small. They're on the smaller size today. Let me get two little ones. It's just a quick pickle that I'm making. So, oh my word, look at that plant. Stink bugs, guys. I'm going to get a yellow one or two. Have a plant right up here. Ooh. Oh no, there's spider webs. Back up, girl, back up. Right here. Let me get two of these Scotch bonnet peppers. I'm going to prune this plant. That's it. Look how many green ones on there, guys. Look at green ones. Wow. Alright. I need a bell pepper or a baby bell. Let me see right here. I'm gonna get this baby bell, yellow one. That look like enough peppers from a little bit of Sprat. Yeah, that should be enough peppers. Alright, so let's go back inside and put this together. Let me trouble the kittens one more time. Come on. Come on. Come, guys. Come. I can't trick them again, though. Not falling for it this time. This is awesome. So I just need some onions and some pimento seeds. And just whip up a quick pickle for my fish. Just a blessing to be able to just go outside and grab your fresh produce to make your food. It's just the most amazing feeling ever. I'm going to cut these up. As I'm operating with one hand today, so I'm gonna cut these up along with a piece of this lovely onion. I wish I could grow these this big. And then I'll get back to you. So guys, I'm going to put my brine solution together, and I'm putting half a cup white vinegar and half water. So half So it's 1 part water, 1 part vinegar. And I'm going to add a little bit of sugar and a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt. And then I'm going to put this in my pot, allow it to come to a boil, and then add my peppers. Did I show you what my lovely peppers look like? Now all of this needs to be dissolved. Let me allow that sugar to melt a little. Let me just show you what my peppers, well, all of my veggies look like. There you go. So those have the sweet peppers right here. These are sweet peppers as well. My hot peppers, onions, and of course some regular balls right there. And this, you can add carrots to this, chocho or chayote. Not sure which name you know it as. You could add chocho or carrots to these as well and make your lovely pickle for your fish. Absolutely delicious, guys. Spicy and nice. Hi, buddy.
I want to be up.
You want me to lift you up? I'm coming. Alright, so let me get this on the fire, guys. And allow that to boil up. I don't necessarily need to wait on it to boil up, but I just want to. And then I just add the veggies. It's already boiling up. We add, already smells so good. And of course, I'm not going to be using all of it, so I'll just put the rest of it in a jar. Usually I don't do it like this. I would just put them raw in the bottle and pour the brine on it. But because I want this to eat right away, I'm just cooking it. Usually the vinegar cook it in the bottle. So as soon as these onions start to get translucent, I'll just turn off the heat and those will be ready to be crunched on. That is so pretty. It smells so good. I've never really timed it. I just watch to see when the onions start to get translucent or loses its extra bright white, and then just turn it off and allow it to cool down and then pour it in the jar. It smells so good. Alright, so we don't want the onions to lose their crunch, so I'm going to turn off the heat now and then fry the fish. Allow this to just sit and soak up that lovely sweet sour vinegar juice. Alright. Beautiful. You might be wondering why that file paper, right guys? It's for easy cleanup. So when I'm frying, I put some file paper so when the oil splashes out, it does catch the stove from time to time, but it makes for easier cleanup, right Malik? Yes, sir. Yes, so it makes for easier cleanup. Here, put back this oil for me, please. And guys, when I'm frying fish, I always light a candle because this takes away the fishy scent from the house really, really quickly. Guys, see my thing over there cooling down? Yeah. So, yeah, always have a candle burning so that the fishy scent is absorbed quickly. Malik, you see your old Scotch bonnet pepper right there? Pass it for me, please. Yeah. Thank you. Put a pepper in there and some reggae balls.
The lime tree bearing slow, but...
The lime tree?
Yeah.
You're lucky you're getting lime. You know much of lime, brethren. Malik making lemonade. Let me show you guys. Boy, I said the lime tree bearing slowly. How much this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 limes. And yeah, the lime tree bearing slowly. You know, easy. How much a dozen for limes, guys? How much do you pay for your limes? You're not making beverage. We have our own. Guys, let me take you and show you the lime tree for those of you who are new. Let me take you around back. That's the lime tree. Right there. It used to be right up here and we pruned it back because it was struggling to produce. We left it, we abandoned our tree for a bit and it got vexed with us. So it wasn't producing for a while and Daddy just prune it back. Malik is inside, sweetie. He's in the kitchen.
No.
I'm coming. And now it is producing, so we're able to get limes again. Hey, John Crow. Yes, at least we have our own limes. These kids don't understand the value of these things, yeah? Outside look easy today. Can't see the pretty blue sea. Stash away the fish in here because if my cats ever get them, that's it. Amen. So let it be. Gone, gone, gone. Alright guys, the oil is going to splash upon you. So let me put you down and put these in the pot. When those crispy and brown, I'll turn them and then put in another batch. Yes? Keep hanging around until I'm done frying. Which of you are gonna be there still? Hands up in the comments, guys. Always so tempting to eat one of the first ones out, but I won't. I'm not going to yield to temptation. So we've drained our fish. Malik, how that look?
Look crispy and nice.
Hey, my son, I want the biggie and nice. Where is Daddy dearest? Daddy would have mashed up some of this right now. Right now. So guys, we're plating it so we can put the pickles on it. And so it can soak for a few minutes. Soak up that lovely juice. Quite a bit.
Quite a bit.
Quite a bit. Yes, yes. Let's put this big boy right here. Right, guys? What do you think?
Get there.
For the lovely homemade
Pickle.
garden-grown pickles. Yeah. Guys, you should smell this.
Strong.
Wow. It smells absolutely delish. Actually, we can use all of the peppers. I think it's just enough.
I think so.
Wow. And then just put a little of the juices over it. So the fish can just soak up that goodness. Guys, the smell is amazing. I know my cameraman belly going grrrk. Cameraman belly rolling right now. I just know it. Yeah, I just know it. Yeah, guys, so there you have it. That is my herring sprat. All done. Oh my gosh, guys, I wish I could share some of this with you. It's beautiful. Well, we want to thank you for joining us today, guys. We appreciate your company. As always, thank you, guys. If you're watching and you've not yet subscribed, guys, it's absolutely free to you. Go ahead and press that subscribe button and also the notification bell. So when I share another recipe or anything else, you will be notified. All right, thank you, guys. Take care now. Bye-bye.